Okay, let's start breaking this one down. We are in the key of F, standard tuning, standard time. We only have 3 chords for the entire track. They are D minor 7, followed by E minor 7, and then F major 7. So we'll take a look at how they are played on the guitar neck in a sec. Let's just have a look at the arrangement here. As we can see, not that complicated in terms of sections. We've just got a 2-bar loop. But we do have all 3 chords in the first bar, so that's quite interesting. The rhythm there will break down, and the timing, we can see the F major 7's coming in a bit earlier than the 1 beat of that second bar, so it's being pushed. We'll talk about that in a sec, but let's just head over to the guitar and see how those chords are played. So we're going to be barring on the 5th fret. A string is our root, that's a D, okay, and we're playing the minor 7 shape. So okay, that's a D minor 7. Okay, we're plucking the middle 4 strings. Then we're going to move that shape up 2 frets. So now we're on the 7th fret. Okay, so same shape for our next chord, which is E minor 7. And then we move up another fret, but then we're going to change the shape for our F major 7. Okay, so D minor 7, move it up to E minor 7, and then F major 7. Okay, so it's those chords in that order for the entire song. Let's just have a look at the timing now. I'll play the chart with a metronome, right, and then we'll jump back over to the guitar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, and again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first thing that sticks out really is the F major 7 coming in on the and of the 4, not on the 1. So there's your push. Okay, and then we can see the rhythm here. Let's zoom in a little bit. We kind of break the chord up a little bit. So we play the A string, the D string, and then we're going to go for the G and B together. Next chord, we play the A string, followed by so the treble string, so bass, treble, and then for the F major 7, you just play the entire chord. All right, so let's just hear that. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's head over to the guitar to see how that looks. So with a count, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Without the count, 4 and. And the last time. Okay, so that is the entire track. Enough talking, I'll wrap it up there. As always, if you have any questions, give me a shout, just leave a comment in the description and I'll get back to you. I just want to give a shout out to all my patrons that have been supporting me for quite a few years now. Without your help, I wouldn't be able to dedicate as much time as I do to transcribing these songs and creating these tutorials. So big shout out to you all. And yeah, again, if you want to get hold of the chord chart, if you want to support my work, then hit the link in the description, head over to my Patreon page, and I'll leave it there. So hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care.